In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks for auto repair shop. Whether you're just opening your bay doors or fine-tuning your bookkeeping, this walkthrough will help you set up, bill customers, track costs, and see how your shop is performing. To start, choose the QuickBooks version that fits your shop. Think about how many people need access, whether you want to work from anywhere, and which features you'll use daily. The online version is great for real-time access, built-in bank feeds, and easy collaboration with your accountant. Pick the plan that includes invoicing, payments, and the reporting you need so you won't outgrow it. Once you're in, create invoices using the Create icon. Select the customer, add clear line items for labor and parts, and adjust quantities, rates, and tax. If you track vehicles, include a note with make, model, and plate so the invoice is easy to recognize later. Add terms and a due date, then email the invoice with online payments enabled if you use them. When a customer pays, choose Receive Payment, apply it to the right invoice, and deposit it to the correct account so it matches your bank. Record your spending with expense transactions and link your bank so transactions flow in automatically. Categorize parts, shop supplies, fuel, and other costs to the proper accounts, and attach receipts to keep a clean audit trail. Use the bank feed to match cleared charges to what you recorded. Reconciling monthly keeps your books accurate and prevents surprises. Set up your chart of accounts so your reports make sense for auto repair. Create separate income accounts for labor and for parts. Cost of goods sold for parts you resell, and expense accounts for shop supplies, tools, waste disposal, merchant fees, and utilities. Keep the list focused and consistent, and map your products and services to these accounts so invoicing posts to the right places automatically. Run weekly or monthly reports to stay in control. A profit and loss shows income and expenses. Sales by product service highlights your mix of labor and parts. Accounts receivable aging flags unpaid invoices. And expenses by vendor reveals where your cash is going. Set the date range, compare to a prior period, filter if needed, and save the customization so you can rerun the same report next week or month. Anytime you need guidance, click the Help icon. Search step-by-step articles, start a chat, request a call from support, or explore training resources right inside QuickBooks. With these essentials, you'll keep your bays busy and your books balanced.